Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. These two keychains that I bought from the weekend market. First, this three-wheeler, something like a tuk-tuk, except that it's not carrying people. It's carrying a huge Milo tin. It says tonic food drink, and the rest is very small. I can't read it. In my childhood days, there is this van actually appears in front of your school, in this banking district. So people in their break time would buy this Milo drink as a beverage. Children likes them. They are like cocoa chocolate drink. And in modern times, the lorry has become like this. No more three wheel, a larger lorry. I don't think it's wise to use this as a keychain because this plastic would break away. So I'll just leave it like this. Tell me what you think. Have you drink Milo from this kind of vehicle? Have you bought from the vendor? Comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.